How to get voice chat on Roblox. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you have to log in to your Roblox account. Go to any web browser and then log into your account. Here, go to your settings, and then what you're going to do to get access or to get this microphone feature on Roblox is to simply verify your age. Okay, so as you can see, I have verified my age, so I can turn on and turn off my microphone at the same time my camera. So in order to get that, you have to verify your age. So we have here, if you want to verify your age, you have to prepare a valid ID. For example, we have driver's license, passport, ID card, residence permit, and of course, a smartphone. Get your mobile phone, install any QR code or barcode reader, and then what you're going to do is to point your camera to that code and then tap this link here. And then here, you just have to start the verification. So click begin verifying, but you have to prepare the following: your ID, prepare a valid government issued ID, make sure you are in a well-lit room, be prepared to take a selfie and photos of your ID. Now, once you're okay and you have prepared all of this, then you have to tap this begin verifying. Then you will see the progress of your verification. If you see check here, connect to your mobile, check, verifying, check, and if the results are okay, then you will see check here. And that's it. Now you can go back to your Roblox and then enable these features here. Enable your microphone and your camera. And that's how you get voice chat on Roblox. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.